church was built in 1606 by Father Alexio de Menezes 416 years ago. Father Alexio de Menezes became the Archbishop of Goa. It was constituted as an independent parish in 1606 and was under the care of Augustinian priests. During the Maratha invasion of Vasai in 1739, the church was destroyed and the priest had to flee. Marathas raided and destroyed all the churches that fell in their way towards the Vasai fort because they were against the conversions in Vasai, and Portuguese made the mistake of insulting and angering Bajirao Peshwa. Peshwa decided to teach them a lesson during the battle of the Vasai fort. The church was rebuilt in 1856, and on January 17, 1862, Father Sebastio Jose Florencio de Faria was the first vicar of the secular clergy. Nestled between the villages of Sandor and Remedy, and 3 kilometers northwest of the Vasai fort,
अधिकृतरित्या मर्सेस 1606 पूर्वी सांडोर धर्मग्रामामध्ये समाविष्ट होते. तरी यापूर्वी बरीच वर्षे रमेदी येथे ख्रिस्त मंदिराची उभारणी झाली.
The parish subsequently came under the purview of the vicar of Remedy until the later half of the 19th century.
काही वेळा रमेदी आणि मर्सेस या दोन्ही ख्रिस्त मंदिराची जबाबदारी एकाच धर्मगुरूवर सोपवण्यात आली होती.
The village was named after the church, which in Portuguese is Nossa Senhora das Mercês,
म्हणजे आ लेडी ऑफ मर्सी. पोर्तुगीज भाषेत मर्सीचा अर्थ दया आहे. पुढे या शब्दाचा अपभ्रंश होऊन या ख्रिस्त मंदिराला मर्सेस असे नाव पडले. मर्सेस धर्मग्राम उत्तरेच्या बाजूने पसरलेले आहे आणि चर्च मात्र दक्षिणेला रमेदी धर्मप्रांताच्या सीमेवर आहे.
In course of time, the church was renovated and extended with a porch and a new wing included. The date of the foundation of this church is in dispute. Whether it was 1584 or 1606, the chroniclers, the Jesuit reports of 1669, and Father Conti appear to indicate a consensus on the date as 1606.
आपली माता दयेने आणि करुणेने परिपूर्ण आहे. आपली दयामातेशी जवळीकतेचं नातं आहे. दयामयी माता आपल्या मर्सेसकरांची माऊली आणि सावली आहे. मर्सेस धर्मग्रामात एकूण 1006 कुटुंब आहेत. त्यामध्ये 3767 भाविक आहेत. आमच्या मर्सेस धर्मग्रामाला सध्या सांभाळणारे आमचे 3 धर्मगुरू, प्रमुख धर्मगुरू रेव्हरंड फादर लुईस डिब्रिटो, सहाय्यक धर्मगुरू फादर जॉन फरोस आणि आमचे युवा संचालक फादर अविनाश धोदडे. The parish of Merces comprises of 20 villages spread around the church. Along with Our Lady of Mercy Church, the Infant Jesus Center is another interesting factor about the parish. In the first week of the month of February, Novena and the Feast of Infant Jesus is celebrated with people from all over Vasai attending in huge for the blessings of infant Jesus. Merces also consists of an orphanage, a hospital, and services for cancer patients, and an old age home to provide for those in need. The library, which is located at the heart of the parish, is another place filled with memories for the people of Merces.